Hey guys, welcome to the Houston Kilby YouTube channel. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Jeep Scrambler build. We're moving right along. Today you're going to get to see us put the top and the windshield back on this thing, and this thing is definitely coming together. And once we get the top back on this thing, we're going to go over the body mounts so we can finish up mounting the body, and we're going to rock and roll here. Alrighty guys, big shout out to Jesse there for helping us, and check out that drawing. We are starting to look like a unit here, starting to actually look like something. We've got the top on, got the glass on it, and now it's time to transition into the body mounts. So you can see we've got our outriggers all set up here on our drawing, and enough of this talking, let's do some fabrication and rock and roll. Okay guys, we're fitting this piece in right here, and right away we can see we got a little bit of a gap back here, and we need to take some material off back here at the back, and we're getting really close to our fitment right here. So let's do a little bit of notching and fit this thing in, and see what we come up with. Alright guys, so now we've got this gap really tight over here, so now we need to move over here, and we don't see a line over here where I've got a circle in the center of that plate. So now we know we need to move it that way some. So we're going to have to take some material off right here, and this piece will be fitted in. And so what I like to do is I can just take this piece out. I can look up in there, and it's right around the 1/8 inch amount of material I need to take off. So we'll mark it, notch it, and refit it. Alrighty guys, here we are. Check us out. And just like that, now we're fitting where we want to be fitting at. Alright, so now we've got that there, we'll tack this thing in place, and we will put in our triangle support piece. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Be sure to check out our other videos down at the bottom. Don't forget to check out KilbyMotorsports.com. We now have TSR racing products, aerospace brake components, 4-link systems, and many other suspension and chassis kits available now. Make sure you are subscribed to the Houston Kilby YouTube channel. Till next time, you guys have a good one.